I'm going to show a quick video of a IKEA cabinet installation. I have lots of room in this location, so I was able to assemble everything ahead of time. Normally, I would have to install the cabinets right after I assemble them. Took me about 3 hours to get all these cabinets and drawers together. The first thing I will do is make sure all the plumbing and electrical is in the right location. Then I use a laser level to check the floor for high and low spots. Got about a 3/4 inch dip at this location. I'll be able to set the sink at 34.5 inches, which is a standard, and the other side will be off by about a half inch to 3/4 of an inch, which is pretty normal in most kitchens. All the kitchens are always a little different. I use the lasers to give me a starting point, but I use stick levels for the fine tuning. Okay, I think I'm going to put this on time lapse. It'll actually take me about an hour in real time. Just finishing up here, putting the drawers in. I'll spend about another hour and a half, maybe 2 hours doing the final touches, the finished cover panels, toe kicks, handles, installed the microwave, and also did the surround for the refrigerator. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment. Thank you.